It is always best that we eat water through the food that we consume with high water content foods rather than simply drinking water. It improves heart health, of course, and of course your weight because it fills you mostly with very rich water.
Sadhguru says it is always best that we eat water through high water content food. And Sadhguru suggests one such food which is high in water content and other nutrients, which helps reduce weight and improves heart health. This food is cucumber. At the end of this video, we will share a simple and very healthy salad recipe made with cucumber. But first, let's look at what Sadhguru has said about benefits of eating cucumber.
Cucumber increases hydration. It is always best that we eat water through the food that we consume with high water content foods rather than simply drinking water. Strengthens bone density, very high in vitamin K, promotes gut health, helps manage blood sugar and of course your weight because it fills you mostly with very rich water. And it also has proteins which could be somewhat cancer preventive. It improves heart health, of course, and that is only if you have a heart. If you're like me, you've given away your heart, then but still you can eat cucumber.
As said by Sadhguru, cucumber is a secret to healthy heart and also helps weight management. Let's talk about some in-depth benefits of cucumber when incorporated into our morning breakfast. Managing weight and blood sugar. Sadhguru's yogic wisdom for people who are worried about controlling their blood sugar levels and losing weight for them, cucumber will definitely help. Cucumbers are a great complement to a diabetic-friendly diet because they are proven to help control blood sugar levels. Eating cucumber helps manage weight because it fills you mostly with very high rich water. High water content foods like cucumber are generally low in calories and fat, while being high in fiber, making them an excellent choice for weight management and maintaining healthy body weight. Sadhguru also highlighted the beneficial effects of cucumber on heart health. Their incorporation into diet for heart health can enhance cardiovascular health in general. Vitamin K, which is essential for bone density and general skeleton health, is found abundant in cucumbers. Gut health. Cucumbers also support gut health by facilitating digestion and encouraging a balanced microbiota. Cucumbers are a hidden health gem, frequently underappreciated as just another salad item. You can take the first step towards improved heart health, weight control and overall well-being by including cucumbers in your morning breakfast routine. Cucumber moong salad recipe. Ingredients required for one person: 1 large cucumber, moong dal soaked overnight around 3 tablespoons, freshly grated coconut 2 tablespoons, mint or coriander 2 tablespoons, salt, pepper powder.